New leaks came out about the DJI Mavic 3 and you don't want to miss this. Let's get into it. But before we do, I want to tell you guys quickly about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, I definitely recommend you check out this tool. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel, so definitely check out my link in the description below. So guys, this is some awesome new leaks about the Mavic 3. And when I saw this, I was so excited because it really shows that the drone is around the corner. According to Drone XL, a DJI insider has actually claimed they've already seen the drone in production. So we know for certain that the drone is in development right now as we speak, and they've already started to test the drone itself. So it's flying and it's actually like a real thing, which is awesome. So according to this insider, the actual testing of the drone just began. It's been in development for a little while, but now they actually have a model that works and that they can fly. There's also a picture which I'm gonna show you guys right now. And in this photo, we get a ton of awesome information. So let's take a look at it. So right off the bat, looking at it, we can see the drone's new design. It definitely has a circular camera, and it looks like the obstacle avoidance on the front is a little bit bigger. The diagram specifically says upward sensors are placed at the front, not the back of the drone. Mavic Air 2 front design, but with a bigger camera. Air scopes like the Mini 2 seen on the top. Now this is interesting. The battery is loaded from the back of the drone, kind of like the Phantom 4 and even the new FPV drone. It also shows a possible placement of side sensors and an air scoop. Back to the battery though real quick. I think that is awesome that DJI is moving to put the battery in the back versus the top, because right now if your Mavic battery, swells up, it can actually fly out of the top of the drone. So I think that this is actually really smart and a better way to secure the drone if something does happen with the battery, especially during flight. That's super dangerous. So this is very welcome and very exciting to see. Now the part that you're probably on the edge of your seat for is a release date. With this information, will we be seeing the drone very soon? The original rumors actually suggested this summer. Now some of the people are saying September. According to this insider, they don't see the drone coming out until 2022. Which is very disappointing, but makes a lot of sense because we're actually hearing about this new DJI Mavic Air 2S, which is supposed to be coming out at some point soon. According to an FCC filing, I'm gonna have another video on that. But yeah, the insider didn't say like a month or any kind of like time frame, but they did say 2022. And also we got the DJI FPV drone this year, and this Air 2S that's supposed to come out soon. It could be very likely that we won't see it until next year. But like I've said in many other Mavic 3 rumor videos and in many other videos on this channel, the Mavic 2, especially the Mavic 2 Pro, is a very capable drone and will be for a very long time. It's amazing. It's honestly DJI's best drone, especially for video production and photography. With the 1-inch sensor and the Hasselblad camera, you can't go wrong. So if you're in the market for a new drone, I wouldn't sleep on the Mavic 2 Pro, especially now that we're hearing that the Mavic 3 might not be out until next year. But I wanted to bring this information to you guys. I know I'm a little late. Definitely stay tuned for my other drone videos. I've been flying the new DJI FPV drone that you can see right there, and it is awesome. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of different content surrounding that drone, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. But as always guys, I appreciate every single one of you, and if you liked what you saw, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also please make sure to hit the thumbs up button because that will help this video rank higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out.